Hey everyone, today we'll be doing some Linux bash, and specifically for today we'll just be looking at ways to automate your Git workflow using bash scripts. And I have two of them, which is creating a feature branch and starting a pull request, and then the second one is to check for uncommitted changes, and I'll give you guys a demonstration of both. First of all, I'll just hop into the code. So first of all, I see the script will first ask for a feature name, right? And then it will create a new branch, and then commit your changes, and then push it. So I might break it down line by line. So this one obviously read, if you remember correctly, it's pretty much just asking for your input. So it will ask for your input of enter feature name, and then whatever you input will go into the variable feature. Next we go git checkout main. This what it does is it switches to the main branch to make sure we're starting from the latest stable code. Next, git pull origin main. It updates your local main branch with the latest updates from the remote repository. Next, we call a variable branch and we give it the value feature, and then whatever we inputted. And then next we got git checkout, creates a new branch and switches to it. And then next we'll tell the user what is going on, and then to confirm that we've switched to that correct branch, and then it will ask the user if they're ready to commit any changes, and then we'll store the answer of this, right? We'll store it in the word confirm. And then next we start an if block, because if they say yes, then only then will we do it. So we'll do git add everything, and then prompt the user to enter a commit message so that it can, we know what we're updating, and then we'll commit it, and then we push it, and then we'll let them know that everything is done. So let's test this out. So here I already have made a GitHub repo. As you can see, there's nothing on it. Let's call it new. Yes, just testing this out. And as you can see, just testing it out. We have opened a pull request, just testing it out. Because that was the description, right? And it's feature new, right? Everything's here. So yeah, everything works. Now we just need to create this pull request. But next, let's close. So now we have two branches, right? Feature new. Now I'm pretty sure that if I've downloaded the GitHub CLI, I'll also automatically be able to create the pull request. But yeah, there's a lot you can do with that, right? And it saves a lot of time. You don't have to manually type, git push, git pull, or git checkout. Let's run check uncommitted. Pretty much what this will do is it'll go through your repo and see if there's anything that you've not committed. If not, it'll just say yep, all good. As you can see right now, it's all clean. Nothing detected. Now let's make something like echo error inside the readme. Right, let's say there's a bug in there, right? Let's do that. Now let's go check Git, as you can see, you have uncommitted changes on branch feature new. Well, it tells you what branch it's on. It'll say user git add file, what will be committed, right? So it'll say pretty much, this script will pretty much detect and report any changes pretty clearly, right, where it is and what exactly happened. And so yeah, this is very helpful for obviously when you want to like catch anything that you've maybe accidentally edited for switching branches, pushing or deploying. And the code is not that bad, right? So we echo that, and then we check the status and put it into a variable. And if the status, if the status variable is empty, right? If it's empty, then you say that it's clean. Otherwise, you'll have uncommon changes, and then we're going to do get status to show what's going on. And there's just status space, and then we have a summary, and then get the stat gives a summary of what file changed or how many lines were added, removed. And yeah, that's not too hard, and it saves us a lot of time. So it's very useful to just know that you can do this and to make it yourself. But yeah, hope you guys learned something, and see you guys tomorrow.